Hello, this is Erick Widman at Passage Immigration Law, where we help businesses and families navigate the U.S. immigration maze. In this brief video, we're going to look at how to set up an InfoPass appointment at your local USCIS field office. It is quite often more effective to meet with a USCIS officer in person when you have questions about your case, rather than calling the 1-800 number. So the place to start, like so many other things today in the 21st century, is to type into Google InfoPass. And this will come up at the top. It will say InfoPass. If you're in the US, you'll click on Inside the US, and it's going to find the closest office near you. Here in Portland, Oregon, it already came up, thanks to cookies, I believe. But if you type in your zip code, it'll bring the closest office. That's where you want to go, and you'll then check See Available Appointments. Here in Portland, you can see that the earliest appointment's 2 weeks out, and that's pretty typical throughout the year. And sometimes the holidays can get even busier. So the earliest time we can meet with someone in person is roughly 2 weeks from now, December 4th. But lots of different options. I'm going to go with 10:30. Here at the top, appointment details are confirmed. Portland office, December 4th, 10:30. And you'll want to type everything in. My info, again, was saved by a cookie, but you'll type in your name. This is actually not my birth date, in case you're wondering. You type in your email address, type in your phone number, type in your receipt number, and finally your A number. Your receipt number is found on the USCIS notices that you received in the mail after you filed your case. So you'll put one of those numbers here. Your A number is also found in that receipt notice, or it's on your green card if you have one. Type in the number people you're going to be attending the appointment with. If it's just you, you put 1, click next, and there are the appointment details one more time. You can edit anything if you need to. Then you press confirm appointment, and you'll want to click here to print the letter. So that'll save it as a PDF on your computer. You'll want to print this out and bring it in with you to get through security at the field office. So bring your ID, bring this piece of paper, this confirmation notice. Also bring the other receipt notices that you received from USCIS about your case, your ID, such as your passport, driver's license, and green card if you have one, and be prepared to explain what you need from USCIS. Hope this helped.